The question now we have on the board is exercise question 2.4. Concentrated nitric acid is used in laboratory work is 68% nitric acid by mass in aqueous solution. What should be the molarity of such a sample of the acid if the density of the solution is 1.504 gram per ml? In this question हमें मास परसेंटेज ऑफ नाइट्रिक एसिड सैंपल दे रखी है, डेंसिटी दे रखी है और हमें बताना है कि सैंपल की मोलैरिटी कितनी है. तो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे मास परसेंटेज दे रखी है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन एज्यूम करना चाहिए. लेट mass of aqueous solution of nitric acid (100 gram). Now mass of HNO3 nitric acid, this will be 68 gram. For molarity we have to calculate number of moles, so number of moles of HNO3, given mass it is 68 gram upon molar mass is 63 for HNO3. So this we will get 1.08. Now molarity. The formula for molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Now number of moles we have 1.08 divided by volume of solution. So volume of solution will be mass divided by density, and density is 1.504. This volume will come in milliliters, so we have to convert it into liters. So volume is divided by 1000, means ultimately it is multiplied. Now (1.08 upon 100 into 1.504 into 1000). So these two zeros are cancelled. On solving this, we'll get 432. 43 is carried over 3. Now 4 is carried over 540. So 4 and 54. So 162, and decimals 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Into 10 we'll get, so the molarity will come as 16.24 m. So the molarity of given aqueous HNO3 sample is 16.24 m, and that is the answer to the question.